Okay, now what I'm going to show you here is how to replace Simmons fasteners. Simmons fasteners are these little plastic supports that hold up this grill, which holds the light diffuser in place, which goes right here. So if you have to change bulbs, you have to take the light diffuser off and your bulbs go in right here. So to remove the old Simmons fastener, just grab it with a pair of pliers, twist it like so, and pull it through. And to put the new one in, you want it like that, but you have to put it in on backwards almost, and then twist it in. These little pins will twist and lock it in place. So you get your, you put it in like so, and you twist it like that. Same thing over here. Get that there. You twist it, push it up and twist it. Then it locks in place. And you take your fan grill, you see the holes in the back, you put them into those two pins, and you take your screws and you screw in to those Simmons fasteners like so. Sorry about the video, but I have to work with two hands and I can't hold the camera at the same time. So I hope you can see this. It's worse when it's a close-up, because like so. Now the light diffuser, which is right here, goes like this. You put the front in first. I have to change these bulbs, but I'm showing you how to do this. You put the front in underneath this lip, just like this. And then as you come, you have to push this out like so to get it into those slots like that. And that's how the light diffuser goes in. So if you have to change light bulbs, you have to take the light diffuser out. Okay, that's it for now.